Everybody, it's your boy Slim William Games, aka Slim Streamer. I'm going to show you guys how to install 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM in your PC, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to obviously make sure you got the right version of RAM, okay? I got Crosshair Vengeance 64 gigs DDR5 RAM, 6,000 megahertz, okay? So, you guys can see it. Yeah, this thing is a beast. I already have 32 gigs of RAM already, right? Now, the reason why I'm installing 64 gigs of RAM is because I want my computer to be the fastest thing possible, right? So when I'm playing my VR games, I'm lightning fast. I'm moving quick. When I play any other new future games that's coming out, I'm moving at a fast pace, all right? So I don't want any type of slowdown, all right? So let's go ahead and show you how to install this, all right? So what you want to do is make sure you got your computer. You want to unplug everything. You want to unplug everything, right? Make sure everything is unplugged. And then you want to find the door part. Let's see where the door is. You want to find the door part. So what you want to do is make sure you find the door part where you can actually move this glass piece, alright? It's harder than it looks, guys. Alright, there we go. So that comes off. Alright, let's sit this down here. Alright. Now that your system is off, let me show you. This is how it looks inside, okay? And that right there is where the RAM is, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do, hold it over, alright? Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to come, don't drop it. So what we're going to do, we're going to come, and it's a part right there where you take apart. So, what you want to do is you want to look where the slot is. So it's two slots. So you got this slot and you got this slot. So you just pull the RAM straight out. Okay?
Cool.
Alright, now let's do the other one. Come over here. You want to be very careful touching these parts, because you just want to pull the RAM out just like that, okay? That's how you get the RAM out. This is the old RAM, as you can see, okay? Now we're going to take the 64 gig of RAM and go ahead and install that. All right.
Sorry.
Alright, so this is the 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM. Look how big that thing is, guys. Look how big compared to RAM is to this. See the difference? Hold it up. Bring it back. You see the difference, guys? With the size of RAM. This is the new RAM we're installing, and this is the old RAM. Okay, so let's go back. And this is a very quick process, guys. This does not take as long. Now, so what you want to do is grab the teeth. You want to grab this part. You don't want to touch the metal part. You do not want to touch the metal part at all, guys. You just want to grab it. All right. What we're gonna do? We're gonna just put it back. Line it up. Well, to make it easier, I tell you what, we're gonna make it a lot easier. We're gonna open that up and put it on the side. Open it up. There we go. And you want to come. You want to line it up. And you want to close it and close it. All right. That's one. And you want to take it. I don't know if these caps are supposed to be on here or not. I'm guessing they are. Yeah, these are the light parts. This is like the glowing part. You take it. And we're going to do the same thing. Line it up. Make sure it sits in there properly. See, this is not, the first one's not all the way sitting in. So what we're gonna do, you gotta make sure it's lined up correctly. See, out, it's not lined up. Correct. Alright, it's not lined up. So this is why I say you gotta make sure this stuff is lined up correctly. Alright. Make sure this, okay, that's not all the way pushed back. So you're gonna take it. There we go. Alright, that's one. We're gonna take the other one. It don't have to be in the same order, but if you wanna, so let's just put it so they won't be side by side. You don't have to put it side by side next to each other. There we go. There we go. That's not going in all the way. You gotta make sure this thing is locked completely. So if that slot don't work, just go to another slot. Okay. Let's go to the one on the end. There we go. So as you, they're not moving. As you guys can see, both the rams are installed. Okay. Both of the rams are installed. You don't want them moving at all. They're both in there. They don't have to be side by side next to each other. But that is pretty much it. That's how you install the RAM, okay? Now, we're going to hold here, and we're going to set the computer up, and let's see how it runs, okay? And as you can see, guys, it says 64 gigs of RAM. Now, I don't know why it says unknown, but as you can see, 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, so we are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video helps you.